welcome back to Next Gen QA Sonia. In this video, I will show you how to implement auto login in Playwright Java. Normally, every test enter username and password before every test. This increases execution time. With Playwright Storage State, we can log in once and save the authentication session in JSON file. And later we load this file and open the application in logged in state. No need to enter credential every time. This makes our test faster, cleaner, and more efficient. Let's see the implementation. I have created one class BrowserContext Login Storage .java, and in this I have created the object of Playwright with playwright.create method, and then I have to create one browser object, and it we have launched the Chromium browser in headless mode. Then I have created page object and assign. Then I have created browser context and browser dot new context, and then I have declared the page object and it assigned context dot new page, and then I have navigate to parasoft.com website, and there I have created one user Rinky Beach, and I am just using that in the login details. So I have just find out the locator username and password through XPath. I have find out, and through fill method I have entered the value, and then I have click on login button, and then I just wait for the another page, and then I just store this login details in JSON file, and I have given that name login state.json, and this file will be created in the project directory, and then I have just closed the browser and Playwright. So when I executed it done, and this login detail is stored in the JSON file, and here is the I just refreshed the project folder, and this JSON file has been created. There is a cookies, and under cookies the name, value, domain, path, expires, HTTP only, secure, false, same site, and origins are blank. And after that I have just create one more class browser context reuse login, and I have again created Playwright object through playwright.create method. Then I have launched the Chromium browser in browser object, and then I have declared the browser context object through browser.new context, and the parameters are new browser dot new context option dot set storage state path pass dot get login states dot json, and page object declared through context dot new page, and then navigate to different page, and then I have print out the title value. Here I didn't log in, but it's open the transfer.html file, and the login automatically done before that. You can see the application open directly without performing login. This approach is widely used in automation framework. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.